Hello everyone, this is Cassie from Sunway Tech, and this is our lithium battery factory, and today I will take you to have a visit. Hello everyone, today I will introduce our Sunway's latest project. It is 1 MWh batteries with 500 inverter. And this is 1 MWh batteries, and all the cables and accessories we will prepare for you, and including this bracket etc.
Hi, this is a technician from Sunway. This is our project. My name is RAMBO. This is a main control box, control the air and the fire and the all electric devices here. After the whole system installation, we will debug all the battery and the PCS to check the charge and the discharge and working with PV. This is our all-in-one PV and battery all-in-one system. Here, we can connect with a solar panel and the battery, all wired, debug in China. The battery cabinet, we designed the emergency button here. If the emergency, we can press here to stop the risk. And here have the screen. We can display how the battery display charge and discharge with the voltage and the current. And here have two indicator lights with the running and alarm, two different lights. This is a control combiner cabinet. Connection from the battery to battery. Here have the signal connect with the PCS and the heavy box of the battery, and have the breaker to control the battery. This is a cabinet which connect with a solar panel. We designed 52.Sunway module, and this one we parallel 10 pieces can wire the solar panel with 500 kilowatts. This is a connection to this device and ground. The battery's installation in other side. This is how installation the battery. After the battery is the correct position, we will connect the power cable and the communication cable from MCU to MCU. And then this is connection, the power cable. The positive to negative and the negative to positive. We have the drawing to indication how to connect the power cable.